If you're thinking about getting a Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, this video will walk you through everything you need to know, from the perks to the fine print. Whether you're new to credit cards or just looking for the best travel rewards card, we've got you covered. Let's start with the basics. This card is known for offering great travel rewards and flexible points redemption. But like every card, it comes with some terms and costs that you need to understand before making your decision. First off, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is a great choice for travelers, offering 2x points on travel and dining and 1x on everything else. Plus, new cardholders can earn a sign-up bonus, which often ranges from 60,000 to 80,000 points after meeting the spending threshold, typically $4,000 in the first 3 months. These points can be redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards for travel, gift cards, or cash back, and you get a 25% bonus if you redeem them for travel through Chase. Another key benefit is the card's flexibility in transferring points to travel partners like airlines and hotels, which can increase the value of your points. For frequent travelers, this is a massive advantage because you can stretch your points even further. Now, let's talk about the costs. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card does come with a $95 annual fee, which is fairly standard for a rewards card in this category. There's no foreign transaction fee, so it's a great card to take on your international trips. However, if you're someone who doesn't travel often or spend heavily on dining, you might find that the rewards don't outweigh the fee. In terms of disadvantages, one common complaint is that the rewards categories are somewhat limited. Other cards offer more points on everyday purchases like groceries or gas. Also, the sign-up bonus, while generous, does require a significant amount of spending to qualify, so it's not always easy for every cardholder to meet that. The customer service provided through Chase Sapphire Preferred is top-notch, especially when it comes to travel-related issues. Cardholders have access to trip cancellation insurance, rental car insurance, and extended warranties on purchases, which can provide extra peace of mind when traveling or making big purchases. Overall, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is a solid choice for those who spend regularly on travel and dining and are looking for flexible, high-value rewards. But before applying, make sure that the benefits match your spending habits. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you understand more about the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card.